Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make public profile on Snapchat without the option. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is to fix that option not showing on your Snapchat. So to fix that, let's go to the App Store right here, and let's search for Snapchat through the search bar. If you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Snapchat, and let's wait for this page to load, and then we are going to tap on Snapchat right there, and what we're going to do is to focus on this button right here. So if that says open, that means that your Snapchat is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update option, just tap on the update button so that you will be updating to the latest version of the app, because this feature is relatively new, so updating it will let you have the public profile feature on your Snapchat app. Now, once you have updated it, let's open up the Snapchat app. And from here, let's click on our profile Bitmoji at the top left corner. Let's scroll down a bit, and you should be able to see the public profile section. So just click on Create Public Profile. And these are the features for creating your public profile. So click on Get Started, click on Create. And now your public profile should be created, and then you can edit your profile, add a cover photo, add bio as well, and all that feature. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.